Oh, Hudson. Put your pants on, buddy. We got a package. Let's go. You want to open it?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa. Mommy.
Show mama. Go show mama.
I got it.
Show the camera.
It's for me. It's for me. Look.
This one's little. For your camera. Little battery.
For me.
Last thing is a strap. Put the camera around your neck. Can you say thank you, Canon?
Thank you, Karen.
All right, buddy, you want to go try it out? Let's go. Bye, Canon.